We're discussing the top 3 fruits that offer natural sun protection. Number 1. Watermelon. Hydration and antioxidants. Watermelon is not only a delicious and hydrating fruit, but also rich in water content and antioxidants. The high water content helps keep you hydrated, while antioxidants like lycopene may contribute to sun protection from within. Number 2. Strawberry. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Vitamin C can help protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by the sun's harmful UV rays. Number 3. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which may help reduce inflammation and promote skin repair. Including papaya in your diet, it can contribute to sun protection and enhance skin health. While these fruits can provide some level of sun protection, enjoy the summer while nourishing your skin with these sun protective fruits. Eat healthy food. Be healthy. Disease-free life is real wealth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and smash a like button. Share your friends and family.